A private training aircraft crashed in Karnataka's Vijayapura district on Sunday afternoon. Fortunately, there were no casualties reported in the incident. According to police sources, the two-seater mini aircraft crashed into an open field in the Babaleshwar taluk of Vijayapura district. The aircraft belonged to Redbird Aviation, a flying training academy based in Kalaburgi. The aircraft was on a routine training flight and was flying from Kalaburgi to Belagavi when the incident occurred. The crash took place near Mangaluru village in Babaleshwar taluk. Both occupants of the aircraft managed to eject safely from the crash. Officials said this timely action helped prevent any loss of life. However, the aircraft broke into 3 pieces after hitting the ground. The 2 people on board were identified as Captain Kunal Malhotra, an assistant flight instructor at Redbird Aviation, and trainee pilot Gautam Sankar, PR. Both sustained injuries in the crash and were immediately rushed to the nearby hospitals for the treatment. Their condition is said to be stable and they are out of danger. A spokesperson from the Civil Aviation Ministry confirmed that the aircraft involved was a Cessna 172 registered as VTEUC. It was operated by Redbird Flying Training Academy Limited and was forced to make an emergency landing in the field. Police and aviation officials reached to the spot soon after the crash. Local residents also gathered at the site, and security was provided to prevent any disturbance. The exact reason for the crash is not yet known. Authorities have begun an investigation to determine what caused the aircraft to make a forced landing.